Hi, welcome to today's mathematics class, and today we'll be talking about word problems leading to linear equations. Whenever you are calculating questions on word problems, there are three rules you need to observe. 1. You choose a letter to represent the number required. Secondly, you change each statement in the question to a statement containing the letter you have chosen. And thirdly, you link all the parts of the question to form an equation. With these three rules, you can calculate any questions on word problems. So let's look at question 1. Let's look at this question 1. Mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. In 12 years' time, she will be twice as old. How old is the mother now? So, from the question, we are asked to calculate their current age. And from the three rules, firstly, choose a letter to represent the number required. From here, we can say that as a solution, their current age you use a letter to represent the age of the daughter. Let's say, let daughter's age be S. So, the mother's age equals to 3 times the daughter's age. For example, if your current age is 3 years old, and in 12 years' time, what will be your age? So, when you add 12 to your age, it will become 15. So, from here, in 12 years' time, daughter's age will be equals to the current age plus the 12. While that of the mother equals to the current age plus the 12 years time. So from this, we have gotten our age in 12 years time. So the only thing is to link, which is the third rule, is to link all the part of the question to form an equation. And we are told that in 12 years time, she will be twice as old. That is, the mother will be twice as old as that of the daughter. So from there, we have our equation, which is now the mother age, which is 3s plus 12 is equals to twice of the daughter's age, which is 2 bracket s plus 12. From here, we can find the daughter's age. So we have 3s plus 12 is equals to 2 times s, 2s plus 2 times 12, we have 24. Collect line terms, 3s minus 2s equals to 24 minus 12. 3s minus 2s, we have s, which is equals to 24 minus 12, we have 12. So, their current age of daughter equals to s, which is equals to 12. While that of the mother will now be mother equals to 3 times s, is 3 times s, which is equals to 3 times 12, we have 36 years old. So, these are the answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on word problems. Thank you.